Meaning of entrust.
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 Entrust. Entrust means to give someone the responsibility of doing something or taking care of something valuable. When you entrust something to someone, you are placing your trust and confidence in them to carry out the task competently and conscientiously. The result of entrusting can be positive or negative, depending on how well the person carries out the entrusted task. If the person is trustworthy and capable, entrusting them with a task can lead to successful completion and satisfaction for all parties involved. However, if the person proves to be unreliable or incompetent, entrusting them can result in disappointment, loss of time, money, or resources, and a breakdown of trust between the parties.